Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Cadillac ATS touchscreen. First, ensure your vehicle is in drive or neutral with the parking brake engaged. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 7mm socket, a ratchet, and some plastic pry tools. Start by carefully removing the cup holder and the side trim panels from the center console. These pieces typically just pop out, revealing the next steps for accessing the screen unit. Take your time to avoid any cosmetic damage. Now, let's get that CUE module out. Begin by carefully prying up the speaker grill situated above the screen. You'll then find two 7mm bolts at the top of the unit. Remove those. Next, slide the cup holder assembly towards the rear to uncover two more hidden 7mm bolts. Once all four bolts are out, gently pull the entire CUE module forward. Disconnect the 3 or 4 wiring harnesses from the back, being mindful of their locking tabs. With the CUE module removed, it's time for the screen swap. Lay the module face down on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Remove the screws holding the side and back covers, then carefully slide them off. Locate the screen's ribbon cable and gently disconnect it by lifting its locking clip. Remove the screws that secure the old screen, then lift it away. Peel the protective film from your new screen and carefully slide it into position, ensuring all alignment tabs are properly seated. Now let's put everything back together. Secure your new screen with its retaining screws. Reconnect the ribbon cable, making sure the black side faces up and the gold pins face down for proper function. Reinstall the storage bin, followed by the back and side covers, using the correct screws for each. Carefully slide the CUE module back into the dashboard and reconnect all harnesses. Finally, test your new screen. If it's unresponsive, simply leave the car locked for about 15 minutes to allow the system to synchronize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.